Hola amigos, it's Senora Davis, and here is your vocabulary for our new set of words. We are talking about your classes and things that you do in school. So la clases, class, but we learned that word earlier this year. So please make sure you've printed your vocab sheet so you can fill this out. If you don't have a printer, you're going to handwrite this on line paper so you can use these words throughout the assignments for this week. So first we have art is el arte. Now, it's important to note, and we'll practice this later, whenever you're talking about art class, you're going to say the class of art instead of art class. So you would say la clase de arte, la clase de inglés, etc. You wouldn't say arte clase, that's English. So el arte, that is art. Science is las ciencias. Spanish is el español. Hopefully you know that one already. History is la historia. Remember, you don't pronounce the H, it's historia. English is el inglés. Math, las matemáticas. And then we have some things that you do in class. So to answer, like to answer a question, is contestar. And questions, this is a little bit lower on your vocab sheet, is la pregunta or las preguntas for questions, plural. Back to actions. To teach is enseñar. To arrive is llegar. Remember, two L's make the Y sound, llegar. To need is necesitar. To get a good or a bad grade is sacar una buena nota or sacar una mala nota. Buena, remember, means good. Mala is bad. And a nota is not a note, like notes you take in class. It's your grade, the note for this class. To take notes is tomar apuntes. And to use the computer is usar la computadora. We have some other words that we're going to go through with talking about how frequent you do things in class. We have hour is la hora. Schedule is el horario. Minute is el minuto. Once in a while, de vez en cuando. Often or many times is muchas veces. A lot is mucho. Never is nunca. Always is siempre. And every day is todos los días. We've seen todo before, all, and días means days, so all the days. And then some other words and phrases that you'll be including in your sentences for this chapter. Almost is casi. How many is cuantos. Think of quantity, how many. Difficult is difícil. Notice the accent on the I. In is en. An exam or a test is el examen. Easy is fácil. Notice the accent on the A. There is or there are is I. I know that's spelled like hey, but hey is for horses. I, like I, is there is or there are in Spanish. Many is muchos or muchas. Late is tarde. Early is temprano. And to have to is tener que. So you're going to use these words in your assignments for the next few days to practice talking about what you do in school. Adios.